Namaskar, Khushro Bhutia, myself JVN Dr. Pramila Kazla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today's our topic is type of circulatory shock. Circulatory shock is primarily classified into four types. A. Shock due to decreased blood volume. B. Shock due to increased vascular capacity. Shock due to cardiac disease, and last one is shock due to obstruction of blood flow. Shock due to decreased blood volume, hypovolemic shock. Shock due to decreased blood volume is also called hypovolemic shock or cold shock. It occurs when there is acute loss of at least 10 to 15% of blood. Important manifestation of hypovolemic shock. First one is decrease in cardiac output. Second one is low cardiac pressure, thin thready pulse, pale and cold skin, increase in respiratory rate, and restless or lethargy. Pathological condition when hypovolemic shock occurs: first, hemorrhage, hemorrhagic shock; trauma, traumatic shock; surgery, surgical shock; burn, burn shock; dehydration, dehydration shock. Hemorrhagic shock. Hemorrhagic shock is the shock due to hemorrhage. Acute hemorrhage, as in case of accident, causes shock. Chronic hemorrhage, as in ulcer, does not produce shock. Traumatic shock. Trauma means serious injury or wound caused by some external force. Shock caused by trauma is called traumatic shock. Shock occurs due to damage of muscles and bones, which is common in battlefield and road accidents. Apart from loss of blood, the plasma escapes to tissue spaces. So in this diagram, circulatory shock is divided into hypovolemic, vasogenic, cardiogenic, obstructive shock, hemorrhagic shock, traumatic, surgical shock, burn shock, dehydration shock. And vasogenic shock is divided into neurogenic shock, anaphylactic shock, and septic shock. Cardiogenic shock is divided into shock due to arrhythmia, shock due to ischemia, shock due to heart failure, and obstructive shock is divided into shock due to myocardial tumor, shock due to cardiac tamponade, shock due to pulmonary vascular obstruction. Surgical shock. Surgical shock is the shock developed by surgical procedure. Surgical shock developed due to some reasons like internal hemorrhage, external hemorrhage, and dehydration that occurs during or after surgical procedure. Burn shock. Burn shock is the shock produced by effect of burn. In burn, loss of plasma through the burn surface is more than the loss of whole blood. It decreases the ECF volume and plasma volume, resulting in hemoconcentration. This leads to sluggish blood flow, which decreases the cerebral blood flow, causing shock. Dehydration shock. Shock due to dehydration is also called dehydration shock. Dehydration means decrease in water content of body. It decreases the blood volume, resulting in shock. Shock due to increased vascular capacity, that is vasogenic shock. In this case, the blood volume is normal. Shock occurs because of inadequate blood supply to the tissue due to increased vascular capacity. Capacity of the vascular system increase by the extensive dilatation of blood vessels. It is also called vasogenic or low resistance or distributive shock. Causes and type of vasogenic shock: sudden loss of vascular tone, vasomotor tone, that is neurogenic shock, anaphylaxis, anaphylactic shock, sepsis, septic shock. In this diagram, we can see emotional stress causes stimulation of cerebral cortex. After that, stimulation of hypothalamus, which affect medulla, activate medulla. And in medulla, decreased sympathetic discharge causes vasodilatation. After that, decrease in peripheral resistance, which causes hypotension. And in other way, Increase parasympathetic discharge, that is increase in vagal tone, bradycardia, decrease in cardiac output lead to hypotension. That both causes decreased cerebral blood flow, it causes fainting. Shock due to cardiac disease, cardiogenic shock. Shock due to cardiac disease is also called cardiogenic shock. Condition when cardiogenic shock occur, arrhythmia, particularly those which lead to reduced cardiac output, depressed activity of myocardium due to ischemia, congestive cardiac disease. Shock due to obstruction of blood flow, obstructive shock. Shock developed due to obstruction of blood flow through circulatory system is called obstructive shock. Condition when obstructive shock occurs, first tumor in myocardium, cardiac tamponade, obstruction of blood vessels in lungs due to embolism. Treatment for circulatory shock. Treatment of shock is based on the cause of shock. Following are the various measures taken during the treatment of shock. Blood transfusion. Transfusion of whole blood is done in hypovolemic shock except burn shock. Plasma transfusion. Plasma transfusion is very useful in burns or other shock in which there is loss of more plasma. Administration of plasma substitutes. Plasma substitute is a solution of substance that is used for transfusion instead of plasma. Plasma substitutes are also used when plasma is not available. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.